What's up, everyone? This is Steve from Supermods Tech, bringing you guys another Supermods Tech tip of the day. And today I'm going to be showing you guys hot corners. Yes, what is hot corners? Well, hot corners is basically a little shortcut in your mission control that you can use it to make shortcuts and stuff like that. So yes, you're going to use your 4 different corners of your screen to make these corners work. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is go to our system preferences, and we're going to go, I'll show you where it's at so that you don't get confused. All right, it's here, mission control. And down here we have hot corners, so we're going to hit hot corners, and there you go, hot corners comes up, and we have a list of different things that we can select here. So of course this is going to be your left corner on the top. We could use this for a launch pad. We can use let's see, we could use a desktop for the bottom left corner. Sorry, don't know my left from my right. We can use notification center for this top right corner, and we could also, let's say, what else we have here? We got notification center and launch pads already. Notification. We have desktop, notification center, desktop. Let's do applications window. Okay, and we're gonna click OK. All right, so now let's see how this works. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go to our left. You see our launch pad comes up. All right, let's get that down. Get the right corner. All right, see dock comes up, notifications come up, and application, no available windows. Okay, so we had some apps open. Let's see, we don't have the desktop open to show other stuff, but you guys get the picture. All right, there's really not that much shortcuts you could do, but it's a little quick way of having, which is pretty cool, like especially if you want to go to your launch pad and find apps that you need to use. That is pretty useful, you know. If you want to go find your pad, you know, it's down there. If you want to find your notifications, you don't got to click anything. You just hover over to the left top, right top corner. See, I don't know my left from my right again. And that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy my little Supermods Tech tip of the day. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.